Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive into the playful world of free motion quilting. Imagine your needle as a pencil and your quilt as a blank canvas. Free motion quilting allows you to move the quilt any way you like. Forget about straight lines and let your hands guide the way. This method is all about rhythm and flow. Today, we'll start with loops. These forgiving shapes are perfect for beginners. Think of drawing cursive E's or figure eights. Loops fill space quickly and create a whimsical texture. As you quilt, keep your hands relaxed and your shoulders down. This should feel like a dance. If you're moving smoothly, you're on the right path. Next, we transition to meanders. These gentle, wandering curves create beautiful stippling. Picture a slow walk without a set destination. Meanders are excellent for giving your quilts a drapey, cozy feel. Now let's explore motifs. You can stitch hearts, leaves, spirals, stars, and more. Anything you can sketch, you can create on fabric. Start simple with a leaf, a growing spiral, or a gentle wave. Motifs add personality, transforming your quilt from ordinary to unforgettable. Free motion quilting is about expressing your story through fabric. Start slow, practice often, and let your creativity shine. Enjoy the process and happy quilting. Remember, your quilt is waiting for your unique touch. If you're eager to start your quilting journey, grab your supplies and let's get stitching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quilting tips and tutorials.